Hi besties, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I teach you how to do your makeup. Even if you are a beginner or amateur, you don't know how to do anything, I'm going to teach you step by step, hold your hands and guide you through it. The products you need, everything you need. And I also do a lot of beauty and fashion content. Okay, you can also check me out on Instagram and TikTok as well if you would like to. So if that's the kind of content you like, I would love to have you in this community and I would love your support as we grow over here. So we're going to be doing a series and it's going to be my first series ever, even on TikTok and Instagram. This is my first series ever and we are going to call it Step by Step Makeup for Beginners. Yes. And this series is inspired by my friend Susan. I know I've said this a lot, but listen. My friend Susan, she don't know how to do her makeup even at this old age. But I know she wants to learn because she's been trying and she has the products, but they are just there. She has a lot of products, makeup products, nice makeup products, but they're just sitting there. So I told her I'm going to do a series just because of you. In this series, we are going to be doing 7 parts video. It's going to be part 1 for the eyebrows. We're going to show you how to do your perfect eyebrows. Part 2, we are going to do different kinds of eyeshadow for beginners. Very simple. 1 color eyeshadow look, 2 color eyeshadow look, and all of that. In part 3, I'm going to be doing eyeliner tutorial and how to tight line and all of that. So if you are scared of all those ones, I'm going to show you how to do it safely and how you're going to get, that look you want. Part 4, we are going to do color correcting and concealing, how to properly place your concealer. You can see my concealer is looking very nice and it's not creasing, how to get it to last the whole day. In part 5, I think we're going to be doing our foundation, how to pick out the best foundation, how to find your undertone and all of that. In part 6, I'm going to be showing how to contour and bronze your face and apply your blush. I'm going to also be telling you the difference between contour and bronze. I know a lot of people don't know. It's not your fault. It took me a while to learn it too. So I'm going to be telling you all of that in part 6. And in part 7, we are going to be doing different lip combos and our finishing touches and how to get your makeup to last the whole day. So if this is something you want, my dear, why don't you subscribe to my channel and let's go through this journey together. Honestly, I'm going to love this journey and I'm sure you're going to love it. I'm going to do my best to give you, everything that I can without overwhelming you. We're going to keep it very simple and we're going to make it very, very nice and easy. So if you're somebody like my dear friend Susan, please make sure you join this series and I promise you're not going to regret it. By the end of this tutorial or this series, I'm going to bring Susan to do her makeup. I'm going to try and bring her to do her makeup with everything she has learned. And I promise I'm going to personally make sure she learns it. And I'm going to personally make sure she gets everything right. Because if I don't take care of my friends, who will? So if you have any requests or any kind of video you want me to do, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. If you have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section. And if you just want to be seeing my face every day, you're also welcome here. Even if man, woman, boy, girl, whatever you are, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Vinti. I'm a Canadian-based Nigerian content creator and my niche is makeup, beauty, and fashion. And this is what I love doing and I absolutely enjoy it. So I would love to take you along and teach you what I know and also learn from you as well. So without wasting much of your time, this is more like a short introduction to our series, our step-by-step makeup for beginners, inspired by Susan. Honestly, we are going to do this whole look in this series. So if you love this look and you want to know how we achieve this, or you want to get something like this, you want to be able to do something like this for your event or everyday makeup, make sure you follow this series. And I'll see you guys in another video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell and don't forget to do everything you're supposed to do. Bye guys, I love you.